Here are some of the best English learning strategies for beginners, combining both practical use and structured study. Number 1. Start with the basics. Learn common vocabulary, e.g., greetings, numbers, days of the week, simple verbs. Understand basic grammar, e.g., subject, verb, object, sentence structure, simple present tense. Number 2. Practice listening daily. Use English language podcasts, children's shows, or YouTube videos with subtitles. Try listening for keywords rather than understanding every word. Number 3. Speak from day one. Use simple sentences in real or simulated conversations. Practice with language partners, tutors, or apps like HelloTalk, Tandem, or italki. Number 4. Use flashcards and apps. Use spaced repetition tools like Anki or Quizlet to build vocabulary. Language apps like Duolingo, Memrise, or Babbel can reinforce daily habits. Number 5. Read daily at your level. Start with graded readers, children's books, or dual language texts, read aloud to improve pronunciation and rhythm. Number 6. Keep a language journal. Write daily sentences or short paragraphs about your day. Note new vocabulary and try to use it in your writing. Number 7. Immerse yourself. Change your phone, social media, or browser language to English. Label objects in your house with their English names. Number 8. Be consistent. Study a little every day. 15 to 30 minutes is enough if consistent. Review regularly rather than cramming. Number 9. Use English in real life. Join online forums, watch movies, or play games in English. Try role-play exercises or talk to yourself in English to practice fluency. Number 10. Make mistakes. It's okay. Don't fear errors. Mistakes help you learn. Practice speaking without aiming for perfection. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now for more helpful videos.